Hi, my name is Dipali. I live in London. It's been few years that I shifted from India to London, and I thought I'll start this channel to share what I think. And I think a lot, to be honest, because I'm a Capricorn, and I think Capricorn people think a lot. Okay. So what people ask me the most whenever I tell somebody when I go to India and or meet here someone new, they always ask me like what I like about London. Um, and I would say I like there's so many good things about any country and there are bad things as well. But in in a nutshell, I think there are two things that I like the most about London. Um, First is enjoying the park. Um, so I belong to a very small town in India, and there was only one city park in the town that I live. I used to live. um, so it was too crowded, and I think my parents were never comfortable me to go there by my own. Either somebody will accompany me, or they have to have the same timings as mine. So I could never enjoy the park in my city, but here in London, um, the park is nearby, and I think it's a trend here that uh, any given sunny day people just come out of their house, um, and they play different sort of games. Like in here right now, I can see people playing cricket, football, basketball, tennis. There will be people out in the restaurants, on the roads, anywhere they find a place uh, for themselves to enjoy too. So I think this is something that I would really love about London. Second is, I think, as being a woman, I feel more independent. So I live very close to NCR region, and um, I mean, here I've traveled in a public transport at 12 a.m. in the night, and I feel safer. I can take that decision that okay, I'm gonna stay and enjoy myself, and I there's always a tube available to go to, or buses run 24/7 here. Um, but in NCR, even today, whenever I'm in my own town, my mother, my family will start calling me from 7 p.m. and they will continuously check on me till the time I get home. Um, so I feel more empowered, independent in that sense. Um, I know there's a lot of development happening in India right now, and I'm really, really proud of what um, my towards like towards the path that my country is going to, and it's growing. The only thing I really wish that it's if the girls feel more safer without being judged. Like I'm wearing a t-shirt and shorts here, but if I wear the same, yeah, so they will stare me in a way that I would not be comfortable with. Though my neighbor knows me, my some of the people in the market knows me, and they will be more respectful. But I can't say the same thing about everyone. Um, and it would be so good, like if people don't judge a girl based on what she wears, and I feel that there should be a generic respect, and it should be taught at home to everyone that um, from the childhood that they should respect women so that we can build a safer environment for women. If we start differentiating between a son and a daughter, which most of the metropolitan families don't do nowadays. They don't differentiate. And as being a girl, I know that my father was more liberal and he gave me like more opportunity than my brothers. Um, but if everyone start thinking the same way like my father did, um, India will become a heaven, especially for the girls. And yeah, I would love to return to India if I feel the same way empowered and independent in India as well. Though I love my country, whenever I see a movie, when I saw Article 370 in the theater, I actually um, I had tears in my eyes, and I'm India lives in my heart, irrespective of where I am or where I would be tomorrow. um, okay, I think this is it for now. But keep watching me. Please like and subscribe my channel to motivate me. And if you would like to see some specific parts of London, or um, you have any topic for me to talk about, then yeah, just place a comment, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.